Now, like any other show and any other project, we did start from zero, and as we got in more guests and of course more fun times, we also got more amazing supporters like you guys. So I want to thank all of you out there for supporting the show, and especially for you new ones out there. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, before we move on, I thought that it would be fun to put together some amazing moments that we had over the year. So let's go and watch those right now.
Honestly, to anyone who wants to pursue a career in entertainment, it's all about perseverance.
Yeah, just try to stay positive. You know, if you're going through a rough time or whatever,
we're pulling for you.
Yeah, we're pulling for you, right?
I will be your moon in the night. I will hold you.
Do I look like a beaver to you?
No, absolutely. I was